Team coverage continues this morning. Want to get out to Waterbury. That was going to be one of the hardest hit cities when it comes to this storm.
News 8's Noel Gardner is out there for us with the very latest there. Hi, Noel. How you holding up out there?
Laura, Scott, I'm doing pretty well this morning, and I just got off the phone with the Emergency Operations Center here in Waterbury. They say folks are doing a really good job with that parking ban, with that travel ban, and they say that they applaud, the governor for putting that travel ban in place, which makes it easier for them to plow the roads. Now, this area was plowed just a short time ago, and again, snow. You can't even see the ground. And I measured down by the road, it was about 6 inches a few minutes ago. And that's just what a change, right? 2 hours ago, it was 4 inches. So we are getting a lot of snow here, Laura and Scott, and it is very windy. I talked to the Director of Public Works. He tells me how they're doing so far. Take a listen.
Our first priorities, of course, are the roads, starting with our main thoroughfares and then the secondary and residential areas. Once the job is complete, public works crews and the education crews also need to clear the 25 parking lots for the schools so they can go back to school as soon as possible.
Yeah, so their main concentration, they're concentrating on hospitals, schools, fire stations, and the police station here, and also the main road downtown. But they're going to get to every road, they tell me. We're live in Waterbury. I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
Hey, want to remind